Okay, time for us to get serious about sound. If you're looking for an over-the-air headphone that's comfortable, lightweight, flexible, fully adjustable, that has the ability to share audio across one device and has the ability to share audio across multiple devices, that also has an integrated app that allows you to control noise cancelling, equalizer, and a ton of other features at an affordable price, what headphone falls within this tight requirement? Let's take a look and see what we find. So here it is. This is a JLABS JBuds Lux ANC wireless over-the-air headphones. This is a smart active cancellation headphone. This has immersive sound. This has cloud foam, easy call, customized EQ, and many more features. So let's take a look inside and see what we have here. Opening the package, this is what we have inside here. So this is it. This is the JLABS active noise cancellation headphones. Looking at it, you can see it has a nice foam design, very flexible movement. You have your noise cancelling button, your volume up, your volume down, and your power button right here. This does charge via USB-C. This does also come with a USB-C cable, some paperwork, and here are the instructions. It shows you how to power the device on, how to activate the noise cancellation button, forward, pause, play, rewind to accept calls. This shows you how to download the app and also where to plug it in for charging and how to connect to multiple Bluetooth devices and how to also share to multiple Bluetooth devices. As you can see, the headset is fully adjustable for any size of head. It has a lot of great flexibility to it. I love the color scheme of it. To power it up, as I said, you simply press the power button right here. And now the headphone is completely activated. So let me download the app and dive into the app so you can see what the app is capable of doing. With Bluetooth activated on your headphone and your cell phone, now you can connect both devices. Once you open the app, the device pairs. If your phone needs to be updated, the firmware will begin to update automatically for you. This normally takes 1 to 2 minutes. I sped this up for time. Once the firmware is completely updated, now you have full control of the headphone. Once the firmware is completed, the headphone automatically reconnects to your cell phone. Diving into the app, now you can see you have full control of your noise cancellation levels and also what type of mode you want to have it in. The equalizer control has 4 modes: JLABS signature, balance, bass boost, and custom. The button control mode allows you to control the features of the power button. You could have it do a double tap can mean fast forward, a double tap can mean rewind, a double tap can mean activate Hey Google or Hey Siri, and also to switch the EQ levels. One other great feature about this app, it allows you to control the audio setting based on if you're watching a movie or listening to music, simply with the press of a button. And lastly, if you have kids that are using the headphones, you can select just how loud the headphone gets by simply diving into the safe hearing parameters inside of the app, ensuring safe use for everyone. So there you have it. Once you're inside the app, as you can see, you have multiple controls that allow you to control the noise cancellation, the EQ, to pair to different devices, to be able to set the audio limit of the actual headset. So let's say if you have a kid and you don't want the sound to be too loud for them, you could actually set the limit with respect to how loud the headset could actually get to. This is a well-designed headset with the app integration, makes it even better. So if you're looking for a affordable, high quality, app integrated headset that's capable of producing amazing sound, look no further than the JBuds Lux ANC wireless headset.